Concrete is a durable material, but it can still be damaged over time. This video shows how to fix cracks, holes, and other damage in concrete. First, assess the damage. How big are the cracks? How deep are the holes? Once you know the extent of the damage, you can choose the right repair method. For small cracks, use a concrete patching compound. For larger cracks, use an epoxy injection system. For holes, use a concrete repair kit. Follow the instructions on the product label and wear gloves and safety glasses when working with concrete. With a little bit of time and effort, you can restore your concrete to its former glory. For more information on concrete repair, please visit my website or subscribe to my YouTube channel www.samirabuildingconstruction.com. Thanks for watching.